Tremella fusiformis. This is an incredible jelly-like mushroom that you sometimes will see in soups or dishes in the Asian market, but it's also an incredible functional mushroom that you might see in some skincare products. So next time you're using any skincare or going down the aisle, look at the back of some ingredient lists and you might see our best friend, Tremella. It's notably great for supporting skin health and moisture levels in our skin because it can hold up to 500 times its weight in water, which is awesome and super hydrating and nourishing, especially if we're go. We tend to be a little on the dry spectrum. And so any way that we can drink more water or work with fungal allies to make sure that we're getting our hydration for our whole body is very incredibly important. These are also very supportive for the brain. Our brain is very squishy and filled with a lot of water. So to help the brain health in any way, from supporting cognitive function, memory, focus, Tremella is your best friend to reach for in addition to lion's mane and other mushrooms as well. So those are just some benefits. It also is jam-packed with 1,3,1,6 beta-glucans to help support your immune system. It's also an adaptogen, so helping your body deal with occasional stress and fatigue. So those are just some of the reasons why you should partner with Tremella. Some things to look out for is when you're looking for mushrooms, make sure it's a mushroom. There's a lot of companies out there that use something called mycelium. This is the roots of a mushroom. And so they'll grow those roots of the mushroom out on, say, rice or oats, and they'll blend it up into a powder. And this is significantly less potent. So compared to the actual mushrooms, if you're looking for actual mushrooms, make sure it's actual mushrooms. Another thing to look out for is making sure whatever you're consuming is dual extracted. So that means functional mushrooms have two classes of compounds, one that are soluble in water and some that are soluble in fat or alcohol. And so making sure that the company is using a dual extraction method, which they'll put on their label, hopefully, to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck and it's very bioavailable for your body. That's just a little 101 on Tremella. You can find them in the wild. They're super gelatinous and weird. And we love them here at Mushroom Revival. So hopefully that inspired you to learn more, to go out and do more research on not only Tremella, but other functional mushrooms and mushrooms, period. As always, much love, and may the spores be with you.